Environmental Health Officers and Assistant Association for Ayayechere HM say, enya dia omo aposti omsanso anasikasemo nsamso no enkoye.
Na make say beto dwa nansan mu send Trade Union Congress mpanifo echire mu wanu muntu na se ema omen Ghana ban empeja enyinam kanea adwuma no yisigi emfa nhye ankrankransa go manyimum na sensem we mo no Ghana de hye bi akere omadwen ede afa ho.
Eya constituency secretary Edema MPP Amanyokuo no ewa akwatia akasa HM se nipa numbi kasa sese no MPP enkosuye ewo eya abato mpesuane so na sesa na tie dia anachesa Amanyokuo bia eni eya akwatia.
Ensam no pina na kan ya se won konwa ede be so mo se enumere no nsia kase wodi lo ha ne nsia echiripo enkron kasa fidie so adwuma kuei na asu yasene.
Mekanfo Lumba supa ede ama wanumre so pensio ede adi ujuma so de somo ohwo so ne abusuafo na enom adofo na enom so wutu ne dodo atu aton obetimi afrempenifo 0549889685 and 0549436616.
Akenkanfo ya se nkonwa ebesom wanumre no eti ameje so ya wofa ose ade ayo the one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mahutedin ene bantwere bonana Otafirija, mene mwafa seba.
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.
Ye da ya ho ye ba ye de kase ye bono echiri mwankasa ebe somo nansa na no me wafa se rose gold. Usi di ye kase ye bono eye de ba dia.
Wadama eba na nsempatie amamu nsem di ye kase ye bod ye hinta nyina aha ne ye pa hontama DLFM 106.9 kase ye bono nie aha ne nyina ye tie.
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba efi tumlika nehia yen ewo Facebook and efinsi YouTube me wafa se champion teladament no na yemfa kase bono echiri mwankasa ensomum yensha kase bona se enfenfiri omen ya ho bambo ensemum na Ghana Post Service ede kokobo kase ano odene ede ama oman Ghana enipa hodo amo mabo mutirimu pose mo ma asomdwe enehine wo manyim titiru ne mo a moye akronfo kwesibo ne beka ne se criminals ochirema munyina monase yepa efrise Ghana Post Service abo moden agire wo mo ahobambo nsemu a ye kwe ne mu no wonum entument na se enya hwe han ma Ghana de hye nipa bi emfamo emfo man wura to preda enti emfa antomanim se moya madwen se mabo yemfitaduku a montwen wonom na wonom nam kwasa wonom eba na Inspector General of Police IGP Post Sahina Yampapa Christian Tete Yekono e decided to dwa echire mi say mika say oman Ghana ho bambo ko Post Service aya kradwa womani echini miya nyina sese mpo de womonam abefo kwan so na didwuma enti emfa ho ne ba bia wo abakobokro no ba bia wo bia no omunya ne nteye se wo osimesi wo abokro no pe wo betuma beduaduam ba bia hye ba beyiwa pie na mra eno edipam o decided to dwa enabra day mechire kotodima bosmi de taso dunkron ewo mfempim yenu na de nsem mra Mobile Money Advocacy Group Ghana wamode eya praga kese pa ekoma IGP ene o man Ghana Post Service echire mi say na nsen enipa hodo na wonom eta time enipa o mode Mobile Money wo mayimu no ene IGP yam papa Christian Tete Yohonu ba ye wabo adwumaden ahwemene etimi akofom kra omode na ase kese pa edemanom ekuo no esa chire mi say wohwe o man Ghana Post Service na nsen dwumade omudie na akono na so ani ankasa efrisem omunya te se kronfobia pie ha no ma behwa na ekura ne duam ne ache no enti we yade asronko a ade hya won yamba mani adwumakon kabom kum no ede hye Ghana Post Service enemunyam asanso ede kan adwumadi a wonom ediemum na ndimu no na Ghana Post Service yen openipa oda anom yamba park tete wonu echirem sei make say Ghana for na mo ho so ma mudi bone osumase wo mo ba enti mo hwe ne ye wa bebu mra so de se de tibemra. We
want to sound strong warning to the criminals wherever they are that we will not give up in our endeavor to make sure that we protect Ghanaians in general. And so for that matter, they should lay down their arms, they should stop committing crime, because whatever they do and wherever they hide in this our modern day of policing, they can run but they cannot hide. All that we are saying is that to Ghanaians in general, if you are attacked by any criminal, whatever they want from you, just give it out to them. We don't want anybody to struggle with any criminal when the person confronts you anywhere. If it is your mobile phone he wants to take from you, let him take it. If it is your laptop he wants to take, let him take it. If it is your money he wants to take, your life is more precious than this petty items that they take from you. If you are driving your car, it is your car that the criminal said he wants, give it out to him and let him know that he can take these things but he cannot hide. Security will come after that person. And so for that matter, the lives of our people are so precious to us. We want to make sure that most of the unresolved crimes, we will unravel them and we'll make sure that all those criminal elements, they are brought to book to face justice. A lot of criminals are now facing court action for crimes they committed and they didn't know that. Today, the police of today can be able to arrest them. We have been able to arrest them and we arrested them. And then my men are not sleeping. They are working day and night. I salute all of them for the good job that they are doing for this country.
106.9.
Any a woti ye ayo my Ghana ye post sahine yam papa IGP Christian Tete Yehono na owie ye no ana wo kiremu a nansen wo hwe Ghana Post Service mrantie na adwuma wo moye no ekwa dem ye pa chese wo monya nkranhye bi ebo adwumaden gidigidi ya chese wo de wo mokra na mo nipadua esi honom ayagede e de mo men ni senti obo Ghana Post Service mrantie na baso pa sene wo de wo mokra esi honom ekonkoden emfa ho ne sabi enipa kura wo bokro no nipa enipa bonfo se agudie na wode akudie kita ne mpo eposifo nsuru edo omokrasi wonom epo adwuma no so aye krado obekwa so abo Ghana Post Service mnanto mbegina mo na so abo adwuma de ahwe na asomgina ho bambon sem emu ayire ewo me odina se kese pa edema wonom.
The entire Ghana Police Service, the last policeman in the remotest part of this country, I say thank you very much for the MOMAC group for this wonderful gesture. It is really surprising to us because we feel we are doing something small as our contribution to this country to ensure that the people of this country to enjoy peace and then everybody can go about his or her normal duties without any hindrance. This is our pledge. This is our intention to make sure that Ghana remains safe. And so what I would say is that I thank all my police personnel countrywide, those who are sacrificing day and night, the intelligence team, the operational teams, and then the men at various checkpoints who are now extra vigilant to make sure that they will unravel any crime that happens in this country. The high motivation among them that they have to sacrifice at the peril of their lives to make sure that we bring peace to Ghana. We are in the current stage of making sure that Ghana remains peaceful. And then we'll continue to rely on the support of the civilian public. They should continue to give us the information we need to enable us to deal ruthlessly with these criminal elements.
Any a wuti ye ono na yo my Ghana yem posi sahine yem papa Christian Tete Yehono na eno wachi na president Edema Mobile Money Advocacy Group Ghana Mr. Edward Ofori Agyei edi abasuba kese pa edipo yem papa IGP NF so na mrante ono mu ye adwuma ehwema ho bambonsem ekwe omem titiru efa ekwan hodo mo fa so a wonom ekun editia akronfutechu amoase e wo manyim osanso edi adesere edi ato o my Ghana Post Service anim say obesra o mada wo mkwaso amu adwubanden enko emfentia akronfutechu a wotusa editia mobile money adwuma ye fofiri se ha adwen ye pene wotu kia sumu ye adwuma na obi de etu abegina wo so sika na wanya na ye sen fa baga na bra ubegya mu ana se agya yemro head off yentwa wutimfiri so ana na agya kilantua na wagya mu no de sen o kirema positive anko so anyina ho bambom sem na mo asabe ya de so me bamba mani nso no o ma ho bambom sem ebetumi akonka ne.
Today initiative what brought us here is that we have seen the good work that Ghana Police Service is doing under the leadership of the IGP, Mr. Christian Tete Yehono, and the entire Ghana Police Service. They are doing very, very, very well. The intelligence things that they have put in place to curb these robbers who are worrying the citizens in the country and then mobile money agents. We are happy for the good work. And for example, what happened last year in Kumasi, I think the police were able to arrest those criminals. And then just last month, what happened in Tema Committee 5, the police were able to, arrest and even kill these robbers who went and then shoot one mobile money vendor. And just recently, about a week or 2 weeks ago, a police officer was involved in robbery. And we recommend the IGP and Ghana Police Service for not even shield their own. If it were to be maybe different institution, the institution may try to protect their own. But we commend the IGP for a yeoman work, and for that we need to appreciate them for them to also know that the good thing that they are doing, we are seeing it, and this has brought more confidence in the Ghana Police Service because we have trust and belief in them for this work that they have done because they did not show their own.
DLFM 106.9.
Any awoti ye ono na ya president at the Mobile Money Advocacy Group Ghana, the day at the Mr. Edward Ufuri Ajemai.
Yentwa Kasia Boniso na Rent Control Department of Ghana for Eden Shishaya Abetuja Ediama private hostel owners and facility managers. Operators any omo kebi owom ewo student accommodation sector nim saying so oma fa adwen say mfimpi mienu ni aduonu nsia ene mfimpi mienu ni aduonu so academic year no eyade omo betu hostel fees nim a omo ntwini nyina ensan na ye statement omo de betu dwa enebna da kotoni ma bosome ne de toso eyedunkno ewo mfimpi mienu ni aduonu nsia ima actorate eye commissioner Frederick Opoku eden nsa ehye ana oche musa san hye ewen Oma sheshe sansa yade omo kabi ewom no ebo mode aso betimi atena ase na prices ahodo na omode atudwa no betimi adi hu nkomo inti no eya direction na aba no eye temporary kopem say ye omo kabi ewom no ebetimi asigina ya ne de sese no adwun bi oma fa se hostel fees no mo betumu no omo mode aso betimi atwe asan na ya rent control department for HM ko omo ni omo kabi ewom ewo eye student hostel accommodation sector no sanso na school for no ebe shiemu sane ebe yom na betimi atwetwe nkomatimi age adwenkyere na niema mu betimi ada honom sane ebe yom be famra kwan so eden hyehye pan so atudwa ekoba hostel fees ahodo amofra no so etwi a omatimi aka ho asem ti we ni nsem a free rent control department of Ghana ho abetodwa
yantoa kasebo no so ne nyina mu ewo nkran pompune mantai mu na make se mfa ni fankyere mu ewo kan queen not abeto empesiwa so na Ghana for bekaya Ghana mampeni peremo boata yem papa John Dramani Mahama baye ana wo kire mu say omode dwumade esununku bi abo manyimu a ye fra National Apprenticeship Program enu ba beboa na Ghana nish adehia titru ne mebuna wonom ekondo say won besuansan ne dwuma no abambe so o masene na wahwe na o matumi asiansan dwuma na poa ni padodo o munya dwuma enye no eso etumi asene ne Oka kwen not abato mpesua so ebiato ho no manya semkuma kram mensen assembly ni mpenifo eka ho amoye adwuma bom etimi ahyeche adwumade soronko ahwem emani padodo na wonom etimi ekwa akosua eyensan adwuma mensen mu a eboa memputu dwuma etimi akosom na adwumade etodwa no mema o parliament edigma ye oka kwen not ya mame eye Teliza Ladi Awenem ena adwumade ba komienu bente no openipo no egiremu Ekasama na jumedi na asiye Municipal Director for Youth Employment Agency YEM wafasi woni minyamfo Osman eye Mahmoud dodo abana mane se Libya ekopie mu gina mu kasa na wo kire mu sei wo hwa jumedi esoronko a Ghana mampeni de ba ya efa insane dwuma ho no o mampeni pese oboa na o manyim nipa dodo o munya dwuma nye no eso betimi ate o kire mu a enyuma pi na eye office adwuma no enhyeda nọọsụ na mpo akatua no fia so kopanum nanso wankasa utumegyere wo ho na usuansa na dwuma obetuma ya dwuma de bia wo pɛ ebrepo a wo pɛ no unkɔ adwuma obi anhyew ɛna okra na usikasɛm etumi kɔ nkavisensa dwuma emu osika pimpo ɛsene so ba kwatena office na wakɔ ya dwuma yan papa HM se dwuma de yi etodwa ɛwɔ Okakwe North ɛyɛ wo assembly hall ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Akyem Water ɛwɔ Nkrabapure mantam ene na dwuma de no one match bedwanu nyamfo Talisa Ladi awini kopie mum sansana municipal chief executive abada abanya musini edema okakwe north eye abatompesu aso oniminyafro Christian tete kopie mum sansana regional coordinator edema national apprenticeship program Mr Jones Kuriche ekopie mum sansana municipal youth employment agency officer Osman Mamudu dodo abana mane se Libya ekopie magise dwuma de to dwane nyase mekuma nipa pina ne kwata akira na ekon kanye pam na me wafase Osman Mahmoud adesre ato Ghana emebu na ne wamgogosu adwuma nanim se osra wodom ada adwuma mokwa monyere mo hunsi adwuma pa na dachi bia omen anyamoso mfaso ochima na wadom aromo no bebre na wedding machines efinso helmet a safety boot and efinso hand machines ahoto industrial sewing machines electrical tools na efinso masonry tools mu amamodin akosua mason adwuma niam ahodo ya akade amonsa beka mamokosua carpentry adwuma nso makade apina mo de ka ho a eboa mo ho anham na adwuma no musua wie nso omen anyamoso emfaso.
We have been waited for this long and then after that you dey be man say oyi nyankopo efi ho I dey be my member of parliament so what do you who a chance or your bad time na emeburu a ewo krom unemployment high and enne na that woman here starting who empunto bi a also ayehu bi da in the history of our country no enne so hwe enija ewo nkola na nim keke no to be able to tell you say acha mo nkasa mo pe mo nsan adwuma aye enne nyame aya adum abowa poma ewo kwan ama enne maburu ni nyina so ebenya bibi esua ma dachi no omo so omo nsa akomo no the member of parliament honorable Teresa Ladi Awuni aseda na yede ma no because me am ye wa ye director no said the first one so masana said me so mebre yi ene wa yi sabe eye dwumadi bi afi me so ene ye NYE director ono so ewa ha no wa ma yi nyina tesa ye ho ahare because so ohwe pressure odi masa dwumadi na say ene ye bedi adu bebe ye de bedu ya nyankopon hata suikwa na bedi ye ho adanse ye da na si nyankopon ehira no wa kire so your bad time enti no ye ni bibia ye beka we are short of west honorable Teresa Ladi Awuni nyankopon ehira no
eni atwede yampo nyankopon onhira ne papa pa eni a otiobo hura mu awo kan kwe north abato empesu aso a ono ena obo ne homaden a ebu adwumaden ejina mu say municipal director for youth employment agency YEA ojina mu ekasa ye edemam bache bedwani edemo kakwe north abato empesu aso ye ma Talisa Ladi Awini ni din edonu nyamfo Osman Mahmoud ena wote ne nkan na enwachi ena ban na musini edema de sha won kakwe north abato empesu aso oniminyamfo Christian tete eye baga eso de futo kese pam ede ama adehye ne mebu na mo mokwa kwanye tete ekosua eyensa ne dwuma no sere mo ada mo homade na munya dwumaden akade amode amamwen eni sika o matua no mo homade se mo mamfaso aba so mapa sebe ya dachi bia na foforo aka nso ebetimi enya akwanya ekosua dwuma ne bi
yama ni akodi asho mo asem no mu di titi emrante ne mama wa wo Ghana no mu nya omunsa anu ejuma no mu ntumi ndidi enti eno no ye di ose ayoyo wo Kakwe North Municipal Assembly ama His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama bota no abem yanya akade ni nya ai de bema master classmen no mu fan training amanfo enti eno no ye di yama ne ba say de bema trainees no any omo masters no so omo so yi na akade no entimi ye adwuma no kankra no it was between 70 to 100 people ya come na abomu a ye de nyama no mo tailor for seamstresses hair dressers any nyekeka ka na ye de omo aba ene na mejina honorable Teresa Ladi Awuni I am member of parliament also I need na this wade hum ehya ase amma dwumadi ene abaso Kakwe no na ye so dia assemblies na ye na His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama program ebe mu na apprenticeship program so okaye ye di muke
eni a wuti ono na ye aban na musini de ma de hia wanom ewo Kakwe North abato empesu as ne din edo ni nyamfo Christian tete baka na wote ne kan na enwachi na mebunu ene Ghana de hia wonom anya kwanya ekwakosia ne dwuma ewo Kakwe North abato empesu aso ni bi echiri mo de na se pese pa edema wono mma se bedwane no nyamfo Teresa Ladi Awini se ne wata o mo achiri no mo hye na nyam sei Wombe so ba adwumaden ahwe no makosia adwuma no soronko na mboto no be ye adwuma se be ya daachi bia na kwanya bebie ama afofra wonom di omachiri a wonom eba
meka che ne se ye da na se pa ye ti se ebeba no ya ti mom de but na ye nim se ebeba so amemba so na ye ba ye na ye de ni abego ye hu se de omuka so mo be ye nyina omaye ye madam for no ye ni age apprentice for no so eni age because machines ni nyama omuka nyina omama ye bibia nti de beka che ne se ye da na se pa ye da na se ne adempa owo ma ni man ye da na se
my experience and Jima like Edanase, New Boy Town, Abekanphobia, Danase. Machines like Okosia, the family, New Boy, by so much, yes, you could see, yes, Yababi, a Yabet Sharon for Queen Danase, Yeda, Honorable Teresa, Awi, Edanase.
The father, the work boss and other stuff. I've got to learn a whole lot of things through machinery and so as fact that they've given us free devices and tools and make machines. We're able to make work easier and serve our customers just the way they want. I want to thank her for everything she has done for us, for bringing us this far and helping us gain what she really needed in order to help other people.
I catch on saying, you saw your Maya. I catch on saying, Yakupo Insuano, no one to play. The President Mahama, so I didn't power their why any youth corner or more for as faith, you need my yellow, or this said, no way they are bound, most of someone Yakan or Moose here is man. Yakupo Insuano, no one to play. They're born Python Colano in 1 year to come and 2 years to come will be masters and madams on their own, and they'll make Ghana proud.
Any awoti ye ayo my Ghana me buna one more or Kakwe not about to so a one crying. Pompremante mwene National Apprenticeship Program umanya mucha fano and awate wanom and udin semina manibwe yensem training Emmanuel Opoku Edrisi Dodua said man say DJ active and a diamantibwe every or Kakwe not about to so pompremante mo ebesumo yen.
Yantua Kasiabone Sona members Edema on posted environmental health officers any assistant association. Aye yetre hrema fiti mfimpi mienu any aduonu ba kunimo muwie school no enya ade omwatimi aposti wom no mu chrema ohwese ne omatwentwa mo na so mu posti wom na aman members ni bebre na aye basom sikasem enkoye no mo de adesre bebre ana akoma mpanifo se ne be yanko betimi akabia ma wom no mo so ne yetimi aposti wom na so omatwen enya ade ayetimi aposti wom eno mo hye ye che na se edi free independent square eyo margin sen komo Ministry of Local Government chieftaincy any religious affairs a police for esi omokwan enu nti na wose omutimi to aye chere so Ministry of Justice and Attorney General's department ho anachese omukopie mu ho no mu chie ma fiti mfimpi mienu ene aduonu ba kuni mo matwan anya ade yetimi aposti wo ma ntete ye omukofa mu environmental health na anya ade omudidi adwuma bia wo mayi mu nti so mba kotena school masua ade na abusuafo beboa ma wofo betwa mu school fees ene omadua no mbedi baby omokoda yesi sika omutwa ye ka kese a omoboye na cheso maba betina fie na se yentimi emposti wom enkoye adwuma entwe omoka na no so akoye adeso kese ede amawom na mo ne nsamtwofo etwetwe nkomon ana deputy general secretary ede maekuo no ayewuku Emmanuel Mawuga echemu se sane niema akone ha adwenye pa esanse fiti mfimpi mienu ne aduonu bako munya teteye no mugusu etifie de na school no omokoye no fasos ben ana woso.
I am the Deputy General Secretary for the Unposted Environmental Health Officers. We are here today because we are protesting 6 years of unemployment. So far, we have been home for 6 good years, over half a decade, and we have still not been posted. We went to the police to tell them that we have to demonstrate at the ministry. But when we are coming, the same police came to barricade us at the Ministry of Office of the Attorney General. We don't know the reason why they did that. The only thing some of the junior officers are saying is that the last time when we came here, the ministries around said we came to make noise into their ears. For that matter, they don't want us to go to the Ministry of the Government. So I don't know. Like my people are angry and they do whatever they like, will they say they are wrong? Will the law say they are wrong? Those who are supposed to enforce the law are the ones doing it. So what should we do now? Yes, they are trying to convince him to allow his people to make us pass. Yes.
Eniya Utiye, Deputy General Secretary, the members of the Unposted Environmental Health Officers and Assistants Association, Ewuku Emmanuel Amewuga. Nenwechi ana members omonso aka ekuo ne ho ana Janet esi any members ni bi nso esre so momodin ase ombetimi aka bi ede ama wo esan so omonso ma ye krado so mo posti wo mo mbekọ akoye ejuma.
Well now, sometimes I've been asking why I even attend school of hygiene because I don't see the importance of attending a school 3 years, pay a whole lot of school fees, come out and you have nothing. Like these certificates are always in the room. It's just lying down. Like come on, my parents are dead. The last time my mom asked me, hey, look at that when they don't post because she wants to get advantage of what she's been sowing. And even the Bible says that what you sow is what you are going to harvest. And we've sowed it, we are not harvesting it. Please, we are pleading. Today we are here with our certificate. Come for it and just post it now. Post us, not it, we are human beings. Post us now. We are begging, please.
Eniya Utiye, ana Janet esi ono eka members of the Unposted Environmental Health Officers and Assistants Association home. Na ne krakramu ana Deputy Minister Edema Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Retana Odole Sowa eka sai echemu se recruitment omoye ediama Unposted Environmental Health Officers and Assistants for no enya ade ebeche kra. Enti members no enkomakoma ento omoye mesan se recruitment exercise no eguso ekoso.
It's a process. Local government service is the recruiting authority for your sector. And so let's just exercise patience. Minister will come. When he comes, I'll inform him we're here and then we'll see how best to reach your leadership and then we'll take it up from there. So keep your fingers crossed. I believe recruitment won't take long. Thank you. Thank you.
DLFM 106.9.
Eniya Utiye, Deputy Minister Edema Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Retana Odole Sowa.
Yan tuaka sebono si yenyina krono semu esensemu gomayimum. Na adesha wonom edesha ne Christopher Akoto. Na abemu oye mobamani adwuman bi. Na oye adwuma no ewo afrawo. Na mfempem ye ne adunu mu ewo furuso busumu. Nipa bonfo yo mya kronfutechu amwa ekosa ni tuogu no so ana omaye pode ennan pa nan nipa ba nan omkwaje ne nkwa different nsem ewa frawo ewa fempem yenu ne de nunu mu ewa furuso obusumnem na busia ne nne wono maka se kiremi se bepem samre ya oman Ghana posifo ensa etumika nipa no mo ya kronfo pode ba nan no enya ade a wo matumi ebu wono matan eho ba bia susan ede bodo hono befa ede afa sasensenem adisi e kirem se ede ne yehunu matumi ache enipa mtu se wonom na mo ya akronfotecha wo moje wo de hie krafiri ne nsam dia bepem samre ekwa afintam ni afikura twam ede na wo twa ante bepem samre no empenifo ntumi emuhu atane hu babia susan ede bodo hono befa e wasansensenem na Ghana fo bekayam Ghana Post Service emrante no ensa tumi kam emrante wa pode bananyam wo mtu se wonom tu sa na mompone ekokun owura ne din ede Christopher Akoto ewo eye afrawo ewo framante mu a omoje ne nkra hade fini sem ya ewo folusu obosme na toso de no nwotwe ewo mfempem ye ne do no enum na nadua yi emna de hye no e friends entwefo nhye mum ewo na brada kotonuma bosme ye na toso to nkrom ewo mfempem ye ne do no nsem no mokasa mafo de mabusia no edem vigro mensa e kiremi sei na wira ho na wadi oman Ghana Post Service ho ya papa bepem samre yi sei gidie pa ba kumpo omanye bia ma wonom enu wachi nso atentene enya de Ghana Post Service etimi amana de ade afiri sabe matumi achi nipa baanu pode banan omakum nipa bepem samle muntumi fom ko jama mla na omu ni yede a de na mokamu chemsa de yakono mane njinti post service enye bibi mfa mfa ntesa wo mbe yo ye kire wo manyim.
Since the incident occurred on 28 April 2025, the family and the general public have expected swift, professional, and transparent investigation aimed at identifying and prosecuting all persons involved in this heinous crime. We were informed that several suspects, including the prime suspect, Mr. Taidu Ali, had been transferred by the police to hold to assist with investigations. At that point, we had hope. We believe justice would take its rightful course. Sadly, that hope that has gradually been eroded by what appears to be delays, a matter of such gravity which deserves the highest level of urgency and professionalism, appears to be treated with unacceptable indifferences. We wish to state clearly and unequivocally that justice delay is justice denied. The family and concerned citizens respectfully demand the following: urgent intensification of investigation into the case, full transparency from the Ghana Police Service regarding the progress of investigations. We cannot remain silent when a life has been brutally taken and the response from the authorities appear inadequate and deeply concerning. We therefore call on the Inspector General of Police and ensure that justice is neither delayed nor compromised.
Eni ya wuti ono ne gina mu ekasa de mam. Owura na aka no beba mani ne onka atiasefo ho a akronfo agye ne nkwade afiri ne nsam Christopher akoto abusua ne din Edem Vigro Mensa ena wote ne nkan.
Twa kasiebo ne so na constituency secretary edema MPP amanyoko no wakwatia ewo ye poemantemu Eugene Opoku Echampon akasa echemu se nipa bebre na kasa ye 2025 ba election no moye no NDC amanyoko no enedi nkunimanu nti no MPP amanyoko ni de yade egu wakwatia na ba election no ekoso esanse ye mrahye bedwani edema akwatia ono no ye MPP ni ye NSC akumin eto anananom ewonsiedo enu nti na woso mutimi ba election na cheso mutimi mrahye bedwani no moto aba no MPP for entimi amenti ni seat ni nti nipa bebre na kasa ohwese ne niema esifa ekone dia na MPP amanyoko no sese die ade a egu akwatia no kasa ye echire mu sesa mpampa MPP amanyoko na egu akwatia dia na chese amanyoko bia eni akwatia sanse MPP amanyoko no mugina mo na so ye papa no de nsemi editujwa abra mo ye press conference constituency party officer no koso akwatia Endra Adjoa Dakotoni mabosomene de toso dun wotwe won fimpimienu ene aduoni nsia yim abra no mubu akonta ama polling station executive election na eno ekoso honum no chirema ya fimpimienu ene aduonu wotwe nim na yade MPP amanyoko no fam na hyebedwa akonya no sanso anomampani akonya
Osia probably say akotia MPP and not a political party any akotia. Answer me one no. Say MPP good ya there's no political party in akotia because me party organized CMPP akotia constituency the most organized political party in akotia constituency MPP. And so we just akotia MPP egua na ebia me be free ba and ebia no is living in a good paradise because there the anything we ana the juma is something like so let's say you see that yen dey na dey no be I so ye bi ade aye conference and it will take them years to organize such an event mama try ebia blues in the group I it my peaceful audience until begin yourself na me abusa say DLFM ye mini say back power so ye mini say back power me so center in people be atia so atia say na ye date the elections in the first place yes be winning power and that's the main aim of every political party so be winning power na the own profit na ve alaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumi aso akotia constituency go say the man na odi winning na me na me no campaign coordinator constituency figure me ma me run in it journalist figure me ma run
Eni ya wuti ye constituency secretary edema MPP amanyoko no akwatia Eugene Opoku Echampon na enuachi ana constituency organizer edema MPP amanyoko no Jones Awuku ekasa ye echemu se uhwe nipa dodo a mugina asa ne be ya ombetimi ato eye form said ma eye polling station executive na chese MPP amanyoko no ejina ne naso ye bawa pana eye dan Kofi Nyamekro no eye aspiring chairman edema eye abato mpesuane so etimi gina ye eto forms edema omo gina say electoral area coordinators ewo MPP amanyoko nim ewo Akwetia.
Yeah, enthusiasm during internal election. Previous one, na quiet fashion we move and MPs. We can't go for the P better abana. Say 2028 we became CBP. I'm MPP. Na Mijina share MPP baby abo say. San kabumuna ye internal election. Yeah, first and kabumuna so. Enko MCA we polling stations no. Ye coordinators. And then on your chassis be nomination form no e dey ma coordinators na DLFM no kwa say e do police station nomination form no ye na ye contest no we are meto 200 we are meto 1000 we are meto 500 and the forms about 2400 ye tokra man e dey ebro so and ya ma say nya say coordinators no so no onipa operate it na ye era than DLFM what oni nyina say coordinator obi akọ coordinator bia no bra be fa be free.
Eni ya uti ye eye constituency organizer edema MPP amanyoko no ewa Akwetia ye Jones ewuku na ne krakramu ana women's organizer edema abatu mpesuane so eye Mary Apia ekasa ye echemu se omo endi nkunim ewa abatu omutu yenim enko makoma nto omyem nemum omo momode aso betimi ataya amanyoko no echi
yedi kan na do bibiase ewo doni abotra ye nyina yedi bom de ye election na masa congratulate you omo mutimi wi ni ye ni nyina na omo mutimi wi ni so e show mum kran se we ye nyina party for ye nyina ye election na yakọ election de okwa enye bi ye bibe wi ni na bia losu tini srom se obi an kana koma enye de ento ne yam 2022 ye kwa election sa ne bi losu ye ne bi wi ni ye omo lusu ye nyina this time around bebre asan abamu biu etenu an se olo na be se form wa yire wo hwa ye adwuma ma party adwuma papa obeya ma party no enu ne ma omo lusu 2022 ne kwa election omo se tinya ba ye den aba be wi ni biu iti obi anka na komanto ne ye nyina ye fa odom enya adwuma ma oso amanyokuo no na 2028 etime mra power etime ba power 2030 be sa kwa election be adwuma pa wo ye no ebetimi asan mo so aba ye den aba be wi ni etime siro bibia so bi anka na koma ento ne ye mo eya ye wi ni yo eya ye wi ni yo enyina ye nka mo.
Eni ya uti ye eye women's organizer edema Akwetia abatuo empesuane so eye Mary Apia na manibo ye nsem troni kontinhini Kofi Obo ana difrepo e mantemu ebesomye
we ye nyina we so na yankan kama dwen kire ne bi na yemfa ensomo ewo kasebo no so enti yenko Facebook no senso amode aba no na yembo ne tew emfa ensomo anumre na me wo fa se Richard ahwede aba no so mayadwo Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi wo fa no na takrade Kwadwo krom twabe wo de hye konkron osi ade yo de wanf otafri jabantwe bona na anafi Adjoa Agyei Sikapa wed no chimse DLFM news e officer ne mo de sado manama na enam DJ Ghanaian fide ne so de Gbetre station and DLFM manes ho na kasebo no enam so de ya sene dwumaden sonko a yebo esom o my Ghana o chiremu akasebo ne yo na po bam e de ade kasen ene ode aka ho me wo fa se Sandra abeka de aba no so mayadwo DL news kasebo no eye tasty angasa ejagwom wo hwe live e de free tema free zone na wasande aba se me wo fa se Sandra abeka kreyam o say Lumba super papa no eye 100% ene ode aka ho e de abanumre ye nyina we so ne ye mukef na yenko agropama so me wo fa se Bismarck man busy bema atuduro wura onye nipa kuma korefia hanom ugirana na so sa abo apapo ye ba
DL Power Sports emwade ejawom dead
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Yes.
I'm Santa, your man about to construction. What you can see the more and home answer. What you can crash a prayer about Kumpo, and find over. What the hell was one and on show, empty subways, empty subways, a business 7 on Boko, maybe quarter 20 grand. I'm Santa when you say, Mr. Kasante, Mr. Bade, Mr. Kasante, Asante, Mr. Kasante, watch your money, Mr. Kasante, hey, Borike!
Me wo fa se Bismarck man busy atena se me kwa ne china mana kwaba na nso do aboaboa no sa group amaso 7 no o fa me so me yen e wo kase bo ne so Bismarck
o fa nshaba
empom ti say
yesu adomi ho ade pa
mo bu adwumaden enye izo
for god and
we are 24-hour economy ana me boa we are more than 24-hour economy
24 see 20 enja cheso
no kwase no no wo fa se wo te be pa o
oh yes am yakani
oh yeah
ana mi fra infie so
oh sir
oh yes
ene oni obrafo nyina yepe
yeah
obrafo so Ibrahim fie
bono so on de nanum nsem so
so pa esena wo de no
no company nsem pa
okay de wo pese wo yete so no ana
o kaminya nka mepe
sao kakra be duro e kakra ka che obrafo se mchia no ono ne din ne den rap den
ono rap sofo
papa bi
yeah
nti ensem ho na me hu se yem papa Kofi Adams me ase me hu se na okasa ne press conference bi akoso ensem wo mu ho ye bete ho ensem
oh yes
na Black Stars no mo se ebeye is here work up on Friday bana
Friday e wo yetina kono
ye kwaje aba
7 p.m. ye ni Mexico me na me train squad no se squad ne ba ana metimi ya pass me
okay but in that case me kan try say wa ba fie
Inaki.
Oh, che.
Chale tishen. Baba fie. Chale tishen. Baba fie.
So baba.
Oh yes.
Sa.
Sa ni fie. E to baba ya baba.
E baba na so be share go bi wo kai. Inaki wo so share go.
Hey, Machego. Come on.
Ba enti wo hwa obefa.
Ba meti ofanka che.
Sa.
Na ofa ontimi share go sibim.
Ofa ne say na ye de na call reserve ntini ye mana aya hoboa call work up ni
mo de tese dia obi ehun ni
yes ntina ye we say no ise ye work up ni ade ba ko nya ye pa nti wo fa ne ya de na di sese be hadwen o mo hu ne tatis ne be hadwen hu say ye ni si lo mu ni ade nyina na ekohia
mo de na te
say ye ni England be hia so what you say
England na Christian na
Panama I mean Mohammed yes nti ye say hwe ni ye na obi nim say last time team na ye guy o obi nim I mean kan kira obi who say blaster near then?
What a ball! Ghana blaster! Ghana! Hey! I found it. What a ball! Hey! Ball! Ghana blaster! Hey! Ghana blaster! What a ball! Ghana blaster!
Senior,
what for sure?
Akwam ko. Those days pa ye senior national team bobo pa masa. Ye now. He could be too quiet. Baby, be fine. Kakra, ye be do ho. Kakra, and empire bon sempany for betty. No mashas ye, I form ye. The form ye, opening, ye be filia from. That's my prayer. So, Momo dear form and conform. Ye, in the beji. Ye, young Cassin ye because ye idea. Ye, green in a pempem, but a yet thing. She shed no quay, but ye best Omuntir mon conform them one. We will work up on ye. And some way in teenager, higher crown.
Ogua home.
What say?
Ogua home.
Oh, so my candidate. So we are only going to participate.
Yes.
Oh, not day.
Yenya coach Fufro.
Coach no bobo ni bi.
We are not going to adapt to.
Obesi aka ni bia na.
So on the tactics na.
Tactics. Na tactics nkwa bobo. We are dem go fa see we there. Me dey come kumpa nke beji kru announce me hwe petete kremu a.
Enyi.
Qualifying from the group stage in the kra no. A huge tax e be ya den.
O e be twa from.
Your
group we dey be twa from.
Obi hu ni say ye di agura ye points e be ye betuma ye 1 point.
Oh da be.
E wo group stage.
Black Stars.
Me bomb pass here be qualify, but the way I foresee things, because England, Emfa, Croatia, Emfa, Panama, Crono, a bay dene. I just say, more convince me. Now, as time goes on, me who improvements and test are necessary to be who in India. I just convince me. Now, me who say improvement to be a squad.
I just saw you
do friendly matches 1, 2, 3. Na me ready. And test us that they are there.
And a Friday over who be when is what dear pa.
As a man who say improvement about the another than idea. They're ready. Now we're only going to adapt to the numbers.
No, yes.
My minyao. We must show.
Yes, Ada.
Mate, minyao.
You are president what you. Ah, now group say no
things are penny for one case. Omonfa players are umbeti me gina omana so akobua o mine.
3 matches there nasty when you see to talk to Tonche then who chrome. Konanje from T.
It's a makano.
Your court
run of 32. Omonfa more personal interest in Tonche. No more or mine who do room. No more fat players are. Ombeti me kuma mine. Ghana so. When say your players, never get the way your players be outside near the Kruba will be. For money to form. You benya equally good players or meet me. No munya or more mutimi or more domokwa. Or my boat team natural moon or most of one yet team nura. Or more corner mobile life no. And no more problem no. On Teresa bet to me. A year says in reality not on chair who is so behind your beer with Timimono. Moboa. And it's a last stop. Koanim na upon reach in commodity.
Right, Abusia, you may remember Adjoa Agyei Sikapa so Kramer deal 106 on Amaga. So Ameria do a good moon Sammy. Yet some of Jumadi cases we know. I dear can't send men on Siakasia as usual. What in now for Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy being Kansanswa and Ababa son or Adjoa Agyei Sikapa and may one Majim Amadi dear can't say Pono me patrono and Siakasiano answer one of Gweno. Wo join show no live on Facebook. A capital D capital 106.9 images out do videos out do pokra. Any idea can't say reactions out do no. Open a friend said champion Kofi Taylor Iron boy and all this else meaning and share social media platforms out so and you may ask that PSA and come on Lumba and Super Madikadi come on Sir Brown brain be a say dear Ness Lumba and Super woman of Mokwem for Jumadi can you know woman says you are good in some say young from a summon now be beer and so Goka Michael so coach a producer on duty on Kwa and I saw Timmy Pepe and I can say Pono stories out do a good crata so best market do say man be say men so maybe send now dear call and pokrani dear ba we can say mum ya shasia fifia me no kase no you know Pamoja 2027 African Cup of Nations Tojwa and so Uganda Kenya and no man friend Tanzania na ukopia o Cairo me pa me no kase no ade can say CAF headquarters wa e ho ana draw me so timi Tojwa me no kase de Ghana the Black Stars of Ghana na me do am komo o man no yakopia enso e wo group C we no African Cup of Nations yankopon ya aduma Tojwa next year qualifies no ye PM enso ewo group C na wey enkofo do na enso din komo say group wey e cool chop e say nei Black Stars timi topic group wey me no ka say group C no say na won komati o man konko Ghana no enso eda wo bi sanso ana Gambia o man bi say Somalia ana fe Cote d'Ivoire man na wey ana me no ka say draw ni Tojwa enso so Ghana ye ko PM a ye din komo do na so suma nyume no na bibi bia so akoka na be ka say na nsentema ana ye di dwuma de chenchire bi enso e so e man konko Ghana University of Ghana when now they can say 24th African Senior Athletics Championship me no ka say they can say medal table no and also timi aba Montana ye kopie ma woman konko Ghana ye to so 20th unim say me no ka say yenya 1 silver and yenya 4 bronze in total no yenya they can say 5 medals and no enso enkoma kefi aba no ya jimre din koma no dodo na so so modwuma de sina bibia enso ayatimi akonkan no so enkoma kefi aba din nyina no enso so ya sha say what is saying now for Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bin sudin komo enso Charles Honorable Minister for Sports and Recreation wopani friends Honorable Kofi Idi Adam sudin komo ena okwasetra woni friends Jofo enhyiam weno etodwa ewo Accra ya Anje ade kansa Hotel East Legon hyiahye ya ana sa press conference no eno so etodwa no opani na din komo dodo na wase na World Cup ya kono me patro technical team no ana sempo ade kansa technical technical team wɔn nso working together with adeɛ kan sɛ pono Ministry of Sports and Recreation sansua ana Ministry of Foreign Affairs and afei pono United States of America Embassy wɔn hwɛ na ɛsɛ visa ahodoɔ ɛne accommodation ɛne internal transporter Ghanaian fans nso ɛkɔpiem ɛwɔ USA ne wɔn kɔhwɛ World Cup ni bi wɔn toto nneɛma na bibi bia nso akɔnka Honorable Minister Kofi Adams enkomuni.
The Ministry of Sports and Recreation and the World Cup Oversight Committee through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs have held this series of meetings. As part of the coordination processes, a technical working group has been established involving the Ministry of Sports and Recreation, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the United States Embassy, and relevant diplomatic missions. The objective of the working group is to coordinate visa processing, accommodation arrangements, internal transport, supporter movement, and general operational activities to cover every aspect of the event preparation.
Wey nkoma Honorable Minister Kofi Adams nso etie ewo eneme pato press conference wono nso adi tu dwa to aso di nkoma se ne nkoma ene no monten se Ghana fo dodo na enso ekope visa ne ya bounce ma nipa ade kan se du nwatwepe ana assistance ya se US embassy no enso atimi amoma kwanya me no kaso mo nsa enso aka mo ade kan se visa opani no wase no kra bia nim na se di atia ne se wo bibia wono nso ekọ ade kan se US akọ support Blasters no eyese omunko visa interview no eno nti anasa nkoma ne nambo ntina nmom enya no kra se enipa du nwatwepe na ade kan se embassy no enso atimi approve omo visa wo mo pe ani nipa dodo anasempo enipa omo nso ekopiem ewo US yenti Honorable Minister Kofi Adams in Chemwa or the my or San Common.
18 Ghanaian fans have been issued visas. The truth of the matter is that the organized fans that the ministry is leading are yet to submit themselves to the American embassy for visa interviews. And so one is surprised that anybody will be talking about only 18 when that is not the case. However, we do know that individuals may be applying for visas to travel to America, Canada, and Mexico, or even as group through some travel and tour campaign. I do not know what is happening that arrangement. However, it is false and not true when anyone says that the arrangement that we are spearheading as a ministerial oversight committee and the Ministry of Sports and Recreation have had these refusals when they are even yet to appear for the visa issuing officers for their biometrics and any interview if that will be done.
Eno nchemu Honorable Minister Kofi Adams nso adi tu dwa wo san komona eno nso eto dwa na se ba monten agimre jede nkomo dodo na nso sumu dwuma de nsina bibia enso atimi akwanka na to aso edi nkomo sei ade kan se travel and tours ahodo a wo nso ne na monten se nei ono anase ministry no anase ban enso amamutumi krata se wo mutimi de Ghana fo enso kopiem e US no wase nukra bia ni assistance there travel and tours ahodo a ministry no enso hyiam no eya verification we no na ye nhwehwemu ana omo hwe se nei yetimi amama akwanya se omo fa Ghana fo timamfo enkopiem ewo US omo betimi atimi adi Ghana fo enso kopiem ewo US na assistance there wamuma obia travel and tour dwumako obia tumi krata se nei wono so entimi fa Ghana fo enkohwe World Cup.
The ministry has also undertaken an evaluation process involving travel and tour operators interested in facilitating travel arrangements for Ghanaians traveling to the World Cup. The ministry has not given contracts to any travel and tour companies. What we did was to take them through a process of verifying to make sure that at least they are up to standard and could provide the services they claim they want to provide Ghanaians so that nobody get duped. We have not given anybody any contract to move supporters or to arrange any accommodation for us or do anything. And we will not give anybody contract when we have not concluded our processes. We haven't concluded the visa issuance processes, and so we cannot be signing up any contract.
DL Power Sports.
Honorable Minister for Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Adams on this Sanchemu way, and so at Asumi Adinama, Jumadi Cassis Nessa, when Sansweat me out to Jumadi is not 12 sitting come on, send a Uya Timamuni, Ghana, Nina Peso, US and Ibia TB. wasi men kotua sika ma travel and tour agency bia say na ministry no enso amomo slot say omonfa Ghana for enko USA wasi no kre bia nim assistant there's nothing like slot to bia ministry no enso issue ama ade kan say pono me patro travel and tour agency bia okromu a entiene eye afutuo ana odema Ghana for ni timamufo say nei wo pese okọ USA wasre wo a men kotua sika bia Emma agency bia udia honorable minister nkoma ode sumieni.
Let me also advise that please don't pay monies to any individual or any corporate body that tells you that they are representing the ministry or oversight is coming, or they know even the minister, or we know the chief director, or we know this one, and we can help you facilitate your travels, and some others will come. We want slots. I don't know what they mean by slots. There is no such thing as slots that has turned our office into something else. We have largely tried to make sure that through the National Supporters Union, as recommended by the Jamepe Commission report, they are able to be fairly big representatives from across the country for us to be able to sponsor them. So I beg people who are inundating us with calls and the rest for these slots that they just don't exist.
Honorable Minister for Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Idi Adams, on this and come away, and so as we are doing Emma Jumadi and Sudan Bibia, and so Timia Conca, to us so Edin Commerce and Pempi Ghana for, and so Casasene, Kobani said football, dear, Nese, Lala Sulala, Ghana, Yafaya chancing, not as a yes, Reseska area supported Black Stars, Nemom aside football. Yenya dia cancer budget bia na sempono yenya dia cancer fund bia ya de support ya de cancer pono me patro lesser known sports nei Commonwealth Games no ebetoja ewa Dakar Olympics game enso no manche enche bia no so beba so honorable minister semasa Ghana for se ba ne se nei ensem no mumbusa na muntie mu ya me ngina babi entum futuro enso enwu amanfo ani nei ade cancer 24th African Senior Athletics Championship etoja ewa nkaha yenya just 5 medals no eye 40 million Ghana cedi budget and I say omaino enso erezi yana ministry ade cancer of finance enso etimi yi scan ema athletics for no enti Mr. Boff Hussein mu ensa kasikane dada kransa na wamoso edisa tournament ana sepo no championship no eisha so sansua ana ne omalo keti sika me no ka say Dakar Olympics game we no youth Olympics game ebetoja enso Dakar no wambetimi ayibi akwaboa honorable minister Kofi Adams
proper arrangements have been ongoing with the Ghana Olympic Committee as far as Ghana's participation in the Commonwealth Games is concerned. We are also preparing with the same Ghana Olympic Committee for the Youth Olympics that will be taking place in Senegal later part of the year. Indeed, I have heard some persons say that apart from football, provision had not been made for all these other sports. That is false. In the budget, if you have not read, don't talk to issues. If you want to talk to the issues, you try and approach the officers in charge. Our ministry is very open. If you don't understand anything that you heard in the budget, the finance minister talked about money made available for FIFA World Cup. Why is no provision for others? We will be able to tell you that provision has been made. Indeed, government made provision for over 40 million Ghana cedis for the just ended 24th Senior African Athletic Championship. But the minister didn't mention it. That money has since been released to us for us to be able to pay whatever must be paid towards that competition. 100% released to us.
No, Nkoma honorable minister Kofi Idi Adams so a friend some chef for na Agyei ewa Ange ade cancer he hotel asiasia ya wade san komo we enso asumi ade nyina no enso ema dwumadi enso on this note yebedan wa ba Lumba super dama fly number DL 106 phone close so amana ne nkoma yedi nyina ba
Lumba in super natural mineral water. Get a grip with a super break. Lumba in super natural mineral water. Get a grip with a super break.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Right, abusua gusua sinkonya so kan ketesi Lumba nsupa nwumei Lumba nsupa se mimusa dwumadie pen ana wudi ana sempo wumfi wamfuam no enso bai kra na hono manwume wo se ka Lumba nsupa ni bi dwumadie bia wudi no ena wode suma wo na se ni monyam se enso atimi aba dwumadie nso ma dama fly na madia 1069 kofon kroso amana ne nkomo latest exclusive nya no jadi guo na afrensan so atimi ato dwumadie nso ya shase a madika di nkomo se na ukopem o mine friends Egypt Cairo ana menu kasai CAF headquarters no and so na menu kasai dia eye Pamojo 2027 African Cup of Nations no menu kasai draw nso atimi aba we no eye qualify na kopiema me patcho results and simple no ade kan say group parents no say na unkomate group no wama na friends say Morocco sanso na Gabon Nigeria na fempo no Lesotho wemo enso na man nan ya menu kasai kopiema nso group A wamo so atimi apiem na group B no enso Egypt Angola Malawi ana fe South Sudan na group C no enso ho say Cote d'Ivoire Ghana ana my friends Gambia Somalia ana group D no and so South Africa Guinea ana Kenya na my friends Eritrea when so amaya me no kase no wam so ewa de kan say group D anime no yagime din komo no dodo na so so na group E no ewa ana benya DR Congo Equatorial Guinea sanso na Sierra Leone Zimbabwe when so any amai na ya wam so akopiem ewa group E na akopiem enso ewa group F dia ewa na Burkina Faso Benin Mauritania ana fempo no Central African Republic na group G no and also Cameroon Comoros Namibia ana fe Congo group E no and I say when group H me patcho maya your friends say Tunisia Uganda Libya ana fe Botswana na group I no and so group I no ana ubenyo mabi ti say Algeria Zambia Togo ana fe Burundi na group J no ana benyo mabi ti say Senegal when no and so Mozambique Sudan ana fe Ethiopia ana fe group K no and no Mali Cape Verde Rwanda ana fe Liberia ana group ana Nigeria Madagascar Tanzania ana fe Guinea Bissau way and so any maya hodwa and na draw ni tojo my friends Egypt Cairo no me patcho resource ana simple no group parents and so ba maintain yagime den koma no dodo na so sumu dwuma de sina bibia and so atimi akoka na nim say World Cup nyankopo ya duma June July tojo and so United States of America Canada ana fe Mexico no me no kaso pani friends Roberto Martinez head coach adema Portugal man no say what the 26-man squad one also the kopiem World Cup na say and so atimi aba maintain na me no kasa say ana sa Portugal ade camp tempo no me patcho ade kan say players one so nya kwenya kwakwenkoden ade ama my friends Portugal no and commander Diogo Costa one goalkeeper Sansua ana Brantia friends Ruiz Silva afa Jose Sa ana Brantia your friends Ricardo Verho we goalkeeper senaya wapania your friends Roberto Martinez one so team abom di mino kase no one kopiem World Cup na say akọ represent my friends Portugal na defenders Brantia your friends Mateus Nunes Sansua na Diego Dalot afa obenya Brantia to say Nelson Semedo João Cancelo Ruben Diaz Brantia friends Congalo bueno and so Inacio ana Thomas Araujo Renato Vega ana Nuno Mendes when so defenders of Penina your friends Roberto Martinez one so etimi bom di amino kase no one mu kopiem World Cup na say I represent Germany friends Portugal na midfielders no Brantia friends Samu Costa Sansona Ruben Neves Vitinha João Neves Bruno Fernandes ana Bernardo Silva when so midfielders of Penino and so etimi atune sa from anomre no yade nkoma dodo na so somo dwumadies na attackers no and one I say asem no Brantia your friends Rafael Leao Francisco Cansa when Consicao ana Pedro Neto Brantia friends Trincao João Felix Sansua ana Brantia friends Congalo Gudes ana Fempono Brantia friends Gonzalo Ramos ana Cristiano Ronaldo Alvaro dos Santos eti wensu attackers wapania your friends weno Roberto Martinez and so etimi tonesa from anwaya jemre jadin koma dodo na so somo dwumade na World Cup toja no say ukopiem countries awodwa wamo so eba omatimi anya qualification dodo na me patcho na yade ade cancer statistics and I said data ne to no do my friends weno Brazil wamo na say World Cup no omakọ dodo pa wamo 23 times Brazil and so MSC FIFA World Cup da enti 23 out of 23 my friends say Germany tosumienu wano so etimi appear 21 times Argentina etosumiensa 19 times and afeno my friends say Italy so no wano so enso atimi appear de kan say 18 times Mexico enso atimi appear 18 times England so no appear 17 France appear 17 Spain so no appear de kan say 17 Belgium enso appear 15 Amina your friends say Uruguay so no atimi appear de kan say pono me patcho 15 times no enso enkomo akra no pa anyume anase pono anyume ya jime de nkomo no dodo na enso asum dwuma di kese na se won sanso atimi atodwuma na anyume okopiem enso ewo Vitality Stadium ewo na big game no so pa enso ehihye so assistance eye Bournemouth enso any Man City team no ana say omodia windam so omo ede aboani me no ka say the 37 minutes of gameplay wo bia ntimi hye bi sa game wey say Man City abo draw Arsenal agi EPL no say koban say Man City elusu kinkren me pacho Arsenal agi EPL no na say koban say pono Man City ewini pe afi Arsenal be twen nyame ya dom asante wo mo game mo bebo against Crystal Palace no ehona say omo fa victory wo mo so agi league na no so eyankoma akrafu abanyime ya jimre yade nkoma dodo na so so man komante anka dodo na wa nemum emre ne kɔ papa enti yebeti asifom na fe agodie mu nsɛm aboaboa no nyina no yade abeso asida PSA enko enfama Lumba super sa brano bia no omotimi akɔ amo aso ase ema yade agodie mu nsɛm enso ebedan dwumadi kase so edi no ade besima kadu sai ubetimi afrɛ me man bi se Michael so quota eye producer on duty manya ne ntie se Dr. Stephen Yaboa we are Juma ewa house hearing clinic and you may wapon Juma ukofie ote ukama woman ita Juma den dog fantastic good evening and come out pa na mama tonka komana edino me hwe ni mu se na watchi mu metimi atonka ti dog Dr. Steven Yaboa me no ka se we are Juma ewa house hearing clinic we are ENT specialist enti ade bia fa so de doctor or specialist bibi bia fa so no doctor betimi ahwe na se watimi akomo na wenso efri mia minipa Mr. Nice Guy was him in Fakunya so na me we Khadija Muhammad oko school ewo West African senior high school but yet general art Khadija Muhammad and you may Mr. Nice Guy him in Fakunya so na me show happy birthday pa na Nyankopon so onkomwa na fe wasi exam se de wanim no otwede ampo Nyankopon ba se yedom kwame asirifi wano omie wadwume sansa twone sisi aka obi mumu bi ni nyansa womusa asafo radio no odemakwa na ese watimi amambi nti Khadija Muhammad Nyankopon onto nkwanam na ombie wadwim bibibia so entimi enkonkan eti wafa magudia mu nsem nyina no
right
mayem fancy
mate beda se pa me wafa se Bismarck man bize ena wote ne nka se wode agudia mu nsensem eba so ma kasebo no so ne kasebo ne yedisi na nsan ebekọ no awoda ba ko ya me monitor ne yenso so ne bene de ne mu kan kura dada na we ya woda soronko a ekọ de ma me wafa se ne din ede Leticia ahofe Leticia ene eyo birthday ifiri wan kasa wo dad wo father Mr. Anoche ana wo kirem sende twidi yampo Yankopon bese yadom ede afeba ko ede akanfie Yankopon hu mobo no nko so anya wo kese o pagya mfra adumu enko adumu ekwatenten onyi kirem ode na twidi yampo Yankopon onfa enom wo happy birthday to you ahofe dua wodin ede Leticia we ifiri wan kasa wo father Mr. Anoche no se yemfa wo dasunku we no yemfa Yankopon tena no mfa nkyerɛw na onye wo kese akura na ne kwakura mu no wei efri Samuel Furubo aten oye na musini wa santimantemu dodo aboro mane sa mescall na wo kirebe nde na de nyina Mr. Kwadwo Ato Honorable Kwadwo Ato wo kireme se ne Ato beye na papa yi wo kirem den se constituency chairman Edma Manso Adubia abatum pesu azu Furubo aten kirem se wo hwa ne mu se bibia betumi akonka de man to chia ne pam enti Honorable Kwadwo Ato beye constituency chairman Edema Manso Adubia batum pesu aso obia bagidi Furubo aten Samuel Furubo aten kirem se opewase me ye pa nimre nchia kase enkoma wonu abusu nyina obom pai se Yankopon ba wadon bibia oni so ade hu na wo pe no wonsa etimi aka wase we build the Ghana we want is Furubo aten and wase yemfa enchia kase mu oden emfa emma enimre na fiba matwan ne sa maintaining kan tinam se de aye no eno ana aya matwan asenkeja anka ebeba nanso eja kiredin entimi amedu nti ebe prepare sa antikase ebo no ye disini abunuko mu se pon emusemufo ne ye maize mebel antwene se mo edema ye me wafa se champion Taylor ebo no homodia ade ekupie mu Facebook NF yiti makase ebo no wonya bi ehwe ye DJs gibi echinchim kase fremfo madusum ye numre menim kofi won saka afi by my sir Okay, me hu say bibia pie o ma ha sei nti wo de ma men forward o me ha sei ma ona. Ka che mo fa sense next o ma na honya ha ente sa ka betu agya no. Na awoda so no ko ekode ama me wo fa say ne de Florence apia. Dodo ambon ma de say madam aye madam sister. No wachire ma ne Nyankopɔn de adom abo adom so de afe ba ko de aka ne fie ho. Wono ma na woda pa ani gi atuo ntwada apomuden mapa ena fi nhire buso wo mfie di nanim nyina ena busua ne nyina esra etiama nom wa mu kire mi se nhihye pa Nyankopɔn wa hihye ma no o ma ne nyina mrem no nkoso ama ne nhire sen soroma we ya woda soronko a eko ediama ho ye ma won fa wodin de Florence apia dodo bom na ne se eye madam sister nyame nhire opi ni wa woda no onya ne sonko kura kwatenten ni onyiri kire ena yesre edema we every Rosina na se yemfa woda sonko we no yemfa amount happy birthday once again ahofadua Florence apia nyame nhire opi ni wa woda no onya ne sonko kura wade nyina wadanfo ne den ede Rosina na se yemfa woda sonko we no yemfa amount akenkanfo mi na yeji nkunya besom wo no edi ameje so yo wofa ose ade yo the one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B. Ma wotedin ene bantwere bona na otafri jamene.
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes, also the international DJ Viva Betenase. Na de nyompa egu akwamfiri samre ekopem se nondu bebo. Na enyum wei Basement man busy. Wase yemfa nkoma na dofo nyina yakramo.